Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough way to end the week here for Amazon, as it's not like it crashed, but it's now breaking down through a very important technical level here, and I'll get to that in a second. First thing I'm going to do here is just kind of map out that the overall flow of things has certainly been down, so I'll just use this trend line here. It served its purpose at its previous spot, but you can just see that over time here, that trend line is actually doing a fantastic job of showing the areas of resistance and the overall selling pressure that currently exists. I mean, you just look through the history of things, and every single time it's bounced, including right there, you know, it's gone back down. So really, to make this very cut and dry moving forward, as far as the technical point of view and resistance levels are concerned, the main battleground to watch closely is going to be that red line right there. That'll be the main area where if there is going to be any sort of talk of a turnaround, first thing that needs to happen is the price needs to be able to get above that level and stay up above it. So keep a very close eye on that trend line here moving forward. But the more interesting dynamic, and I think the level and overall price movement that has captured people's attention, is in regards to that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known 200 period moving average. And you can see that the price is now broken down below there. Now, that doesn't mean it's the end of the world or anything like that, but it is certainly something that needs to be aware of, and that could very well be the beginning of a much bigger move to the downside. Again, maybe this is just a little faulty breakdown. It'll, quickly snap back upwards. So that's always a possibility too. But I mean, it has now broken down. It's been, staying down below that area. So now that brings about the question of, if this does continue on down, where are some of these next potential areas of support? And the next main overall area of support is now going to be down there around 31.55. So in my opinion, while nothing's guaranteed, I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price now potentially drift down there and test that 31.55 mark. So keep a close eye on that. But if the price does, turn itself around and works its way back upwards, then you still got to deal with that resistance trend line there. But yeah, we'll see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.